Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I would like to show you how to make sweet potato home fries. Yes, sweet potato home fries. Just to try to get away from the white potatoes that spike your sugar up, and it just really is not that good for you, okay? But sweet potatoes, it has a good reputation in terms of a better option. So I want to show you how to do that, and we're going to be doing that in the deep fryer. Okay? Alright, I also have some peppers and onions that I'm going to cook along with it as well to make it more appetizing. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I have here a half of one sweet potato. This is the other half that was left, so you can see how I cut it off. Okay, so I just used a half. This one sweet potato cost me, I think it was 75 cents. Okay, so I diced it up to this size, and let me show you the size. Okay, so you see what we're working with. Alright, I took one small onion and I cut it into three pieces, so this would equal the size of one onion. Okay, and we have some rings like that. I'm going to fry it just like this, whole in the rings. Okay, and I have a half of a green pepper, so let's do it. Okay, I have put one little piece in the fryer later to make sure that my oil is hot, and I can see that it is definitely hot, so I'm going to take that out. Okay, so let's drop it in. And put our sweet potato home fries in as I'm splashing everywhere. And the cut up half a green pepper cut up. And drop that in. And the three large onion rings, but it was cut from one onion. Okay, I'm going to put them in. Okay, so while I'm waiting on that to cook, why don't I give you the word of the day? The word of the day is be kind. Be kind. You know, you can be kind if you want to, because, you know, to be evil or devious is a thought process that takes place before you actually put that into action. But if you just practice being kind, you don't have to think about what you're going to say. It's just going to come out nice and polite. Okay? And being kind comes back to you. Because if you show love and show kindness, others will see that, and then they're going to give it back to you. So you see how it works? Okay, so the word of the day, be kind. Make an effort to be kind from this day forward. Alright, let's check on our sweet potato home fries with the peppers and onions. Okay, I'm going to adjust the camera. Just going to check it out, guys. Okay, they're frying, but they're not ready. And we'll wait on that. Okay, so I'm going to give that about another maybe 5 minutes to cook, and then I'll bring you back. Thank you. Okay, guys, our onions and peppers have come to the top, so I'm going to take those out. That means that they're done. When you use a fryer later, when things come to the top, that's how you know that they're done. So I'm trying to pick out all the onions and peppers. The sweet potatoes are to the top as well. So I would say everything has been cooking about 10 minutes. Yep, the sweet potatoes are done as well. I just want to show you first the vegetables. So this is the onions and peppers. You remember we put the onion in as a whole ring and it separated once it got into fire later, okay? Alright, so now we're going to get the home fries out. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to put the peppers and onions on this platter. Alright, set that over there. Now we'll work on getting the sweet potatoes out because they're ready. Oh, they smell so good. And by the way, I did not take the skin off. I left the skin on. Okay, I can cut that off now. I'm going to put them on my platter along with the peppers and onions. Okay, let's take a look at this. 10 minutes, guys. Sweet potato home fries. And I did put cinnamon on the sweet potatoes before I fried them. I meant to tell you that, okay? How about that? You like that? I'll let you get another view. Nice. Okay. Now, if you don't have a deep fryer, you can cook yours in the frying pan on the stove. Just put some oil in the frying pan and cook them that way, okay? And by the way, this deep fryer is fiberware, and it's I think it's 1 point something. It's almost it's the smallest size you can get. I got that at Walmart for $20, and I did a video on that, so you can check that out on my channel, okay? It's a nice gift if you're going to buy a Christmas gift for someone for for $20. You can't beat that. That's pretty good. Okay, let me get a thumbnail. Thumbnail. Nice. Okay. Alright, so let me taste some. Okay, so I have the sweet potatoes and the onions and pepper. Very good. I need some salt though. So let me sprinkle some salt on here. And let me taste that again. Okay. Better. I like it. So remember, you can make these sweet potato home fries for your dinner, right? Think about that. You don't have to do a starch. You can dice these up, or you can cut them into large round circles and fry them that way. That's another option other than pasta and rice. Okay? Alright. So that was a quickie I just wanted to show you. Giving you another option for the healthy food tip. And if you have a cholesterol problem, you can bake them instead of putting them in a deep fryer or in oil. Okay? Alright, so this is Grandma Ray Don't Play. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video with others and subscribe. I'd love to have you, okay? Thank you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.